And the alternative is this, is that we need to return to the rule of law. And once we've established and found it and held people accountable to the rule of law, then we can negotiate a way out of this problem, a way forward. So how do I look at that from my own personal situation? My own personal situation is that there is no eviction order against me. I am allowed to continue to operate that piece of land as long as there hasn't been an eviction order. That is what the law says. I am on a daily basis am running a loss because I knew what my turnover was, and I knew what my expenses were, and I know what my losses are. So on a daily basis, I'm losing $1,300. If you now do that and you do the calculations for that, my losses as a result of Ray and Tlakula's illegal act, he had an offer letter, but there's no eviction order against me, so he had no right to move on there. He should have gone for an eviction order. I have lost close to $1 million. I will hold Ray and Tlakula accountable for that $1 million. He will pay that $1 million. If the eviction order gets issued today against me, so that will call an end to what my losses are. But the law says there's no eviction order against me. Those are my losses. I can substantiate those losses through my books, through the days that were there, through the water that was in the dam. So I could continue, even we might not have had a drought, but the volumes of water that was in the dam would have allowed me to continue to farm up until today with those losses, doing exactly what I was doing the day that he moved on. Not increasing anything, but carrying on that. Those losses are now to the excess of $1 million. I have already filed papers with that. I haven't concluded that case because the cutoff day hasn't been. The cutoff day is either there's an eviction notice against me or I'm allowed to return to the farm. And I'm allowed to return to the farm by applying the law, not by me doing a deal with someone. I have no problem in doing deals. Commercial capital, you need to do deals to move forward. But I do deals within the law. I will not do a deal with a person who has acted in such an illegal manner. I will hold him accountable for what he has done. So he will pay that bill. If I die before that bill is paid, my sons will make sure that that bill is paid, that he is held accountable for that. Once I've got a court order to know exactly what that bill is, I do know that Ray has some assets. He's not a person of no assets. I do know that he has assets, and he will be held accountable for that.